Welcome to Qingdao Baoshengxin International Trade Co., Ltd. Founded in 2001, we supply custom hardware parts for automotive, marine, aerospace, and agricultural machinery. Here are our raw materials. Each batch is checked before production, including key dimensions and material verification, based on your requirements. For casting and die casting parts, we control key steps to keep the process stable and repeatable. With an efficient R&D team, we support OEM, ODM development. Send your drawings, samples, or ideas. Our team will help turn them into manufacturable parts. Quality control runs through the whole process, from incoming inspection to in-process checks and final inspection before shipment. With 20 years of export experience, we have served customers in the US, Mexico, Canada, Spain, Russia, Singapore, Thailand, India, and more. If you're really looking for a reliable OEM, ODM partner for hardware parts, please send us your drawings or samples. Leave a message, and we'll get back to you shortly.